guys, it is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm like, this is a really awkward position to be filming. In today's video, I am just going to be vlogging my day, taking you guys along with me. It's currently a Saturday. We're still in isolation. This vlog is going to be still all at home, but I am doing a couple of activities that are kind of fun today, and we're gonna have like a family movie night. I said that last week and I didn't vlog it, so this time I actually will vlog it, and I think I'm gonna do some baking today. So I thought I would take you guys along because my favorite videos ever to film are vlogs, so I wanted to vlog today. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up and stop talking. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. So I just woke up. I've already eaten breakfast because I was really hungry. I'm actually gonna go work out now. So I've been working out from home because we're in isolation and all the gyms are closed. So I'm gonna do an upper body workout. I'm gonna do the Alexis Ren 10-minute ab workout, which I've never done before, and it's meant to be super duper hard. If you don't know who Alexis Ren is, I'll insert a photo. Yeah, it's meant to be really hard. So I thought I would do that and see how I go. Let's go work out. Okay, I just worked out. You probably can't even tell because like it's not like my face is red or anything. I look like I'm in sunburn. Alright, I'm gonna clean up my workout equipment and have a shower, and then I actually need to get ready for the day. I need to put on some makeup. I'm just gonna do light makeup because I've worn makeup quite a bit this week and I can't really be bothered, if I'm being honest, because I filmed a tie-dyeing video which it will already be up on my channel, so if you have not seen that, go and watch it. I actually love that video so much, but I need to get some photos in the outfits, so that's what I'm gonna do now. It's like lunchtime, but I'm not really that hungry, so I'm probably just gonna wait for now. But yeah, we worked out. I feel so much better now. Okay, so I just did my makeup. I said I was gonna do natural makeup and not use foundation. And I started doing my makeup and I got a little bit carried away, so I ended up wearing foundation. So I need to take photos in the tie-dye, so I'm gonna go put them on and I'll show you. Okay guys, so I have the first top on, so I need to get photos of. It's this pink tie-dye crop, which I absolutely love. I feel like this one is my favorite more than the teal one. But yeah, I think I've already said this, but if you want to know how to make it, make sure you watched my last video. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for my sister to get home so we can take some pics. Okay, so me and my sister just filmed the ending of the video that I needed to film. I've had both t-shirts on now. It is like 2 o'clock and I haven't had lunch yet and I'm starving, so I'm gonna go make myself some lunch. And yeah, I'm so happy we got the photos. Need to finish editing the YouTube video as well. So I am cooking up chicken to go in my wrap that I'm gonna have for lunch. I've just seen some really ripe bananas in my cupboard, so I've decided I think I'm gonna make some banana bread after lunch because I love baking and I don't think I've ever made banana bread before, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm currently making the banana bread right now. I have all my bananas in there and I'm using the Keep It Cleaner banana mix. But instead of muffins, I'm gonna make this into banana bread. So I'll update you guys with how it goes. I'm about to put this in the oven, but we had a bit of an incident. I accidentally dropped the bowl. So now I just need to, it was all there. So now I just need to clean that up. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Okay, so I cleaned up the mess I made and I put my banana bread in the oven. It's just cooking up there. I'm actually really excited to eat it. It's just weird, but I feel like I've never eaten banana bread before. I don't know. So yeah, I'm doing some baking. Hopefully it tastes good at the end. I hate cinnamon, so I'm hoping that there's no cinnamon flavor because that would be shit. All right, go.
We had 16 votes for one and 10 votes for the other. So
pink one, yeah?
No, teal.
Oh, we did a poll on my sister's story of they liked the pink top or the blue top. I've been changing out of back and forth because I've been making so many TikToks. I personally like the teal better, but I've just taken my banana bread out of the oven. I had to cook it for so long just because like the one side cooked first, then I swapped it around and then the other side cooked and then the middle wasn't cooking for ages. So I think it was in there for like over an hour, but it's finally done. I'm so happy. It's literally nearly almost dinner time as well. So like, that's great. All right, this is the final product. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm actually really proud of myself. Yum. There you go.
Thank you.
So it is now dinner time, and me and my sister are making pizzas. We're making it from scratch, which I haven't done in years. Absolute years. The weather is horrible outside, but it's such a good day to stay inside, which is good because we're in isolation. So these are what we got so far. That's rising. That's rising. That one was an absolute fail, so we're doing it again. That's the yeast. That's the flour. So yeah, having a home cooked pizza. Okay, so our dough is rising. We had a bit of problems with my dough. Definitely not my fault at all. And then these whoever's this one is, that looks really good.
Who made them?
Yeah, but like that one looks better than that one, so I would take
that one's been thin for.
Yeah, it just looks smoother. Okay, so yeah, we're now going to cut up all the so we have some olives, salami, ham, capsicum, egg, which I like egg on my pizza, so you don't come for me. Tomato paste, more tomato paste. I can't think of any more toppings. Oh yeah, cheese. We're missing so much. They're in the, oh shit. The pizzas are in the oven. That's mine. That's Jackie's, and that's my dad's. They look so good. They've like gone massive. We probably could have made one for all of us, but we decided to make one for each of us. Pizzas are done. That is Jackie's there. This is mine. It's like literally a deep dish pizza. I don't know what happened to mine, to be honest. This is Dad's. We didn't have another pizza tray, so it's a square. Are you eating Dad's pizza?
It's a rectangle.
It's a rectangle.
It's quadrilateral.
Shut up. Decided to eat mine. So I just scoffed down like 7 pieces in one sitting. I'm not joking. How was your pizza, Dad? Good chat. How was your pizza?
Very nice, very nice.
How was your pizza?
Really good, really doughy.
Do you have to add a bad thing to everything? Just say it's good.
Have you explained all your
No. My pizza was really good. I don't know what she's talking about. Don't listen to her.
You can really relate.
I think that's the first time I've ever seen him smile. Alright guys, so it turns out we are not having a movie night tonight. We're meant to have like a movie / quiz night, because that's what we've been doing every past Saturday night. We've been doing like a quiz, so like a person in my family will ask everyone questions about themselves, and we see like who knows each other better. And it was meant to be my mum's night, but she fell asleep at like 7 o'clock. She was really, really tired. So we're not actually having a movie night tonight. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow night. I'm not really sure. I'm going to end this vlog here now. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe down below, click the red button and give this video a thumbs up. And let me know if you guys like vlogs, because vlogs are my favorite to film. Obviously, I didn't really do much today. And I do prefer to film vlogs when I'm like out and about and actually like doing stuff. But I'm in quarantine. I'm working with what I've got. So yeah. Bye guys. Oh my god, I can't believe I almost forgot to tell you. All my social medias will be linked down below. So my Instagram, my Snapchat and my TikTok. That is the #1. Go follow me on TikTok. It is the social media platform that I am the most active on. So